Happy Mother's Day. Let's do a Mother's Day craft.
Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Anthony.
And today we're going to be doing a craft with you guys. Today, Goombay Kids, we're making bird feeders. We're going to be making these bird feeders out of juice cartons that you can find at your local grocery store. You'll also need scissors, yarn, bird seeds, water, a knife, popsicle sticks, paintbrushes, and paint. Before you do anything, make sure to wash out your cartons so there's no juice left. First, you're going to cut a square-shaped hole so that the birds can get to the bird seeds. When you're using a knife or scissors, make sure you always have an adult with you. Next, we're going to paint it white so we can decorate it. Now we're going to decorate with paint and yarn. Is it finished? No, it is not. Cut a little hole for the popsicle sticks to go in so that the birds can stand and eat the bird seeds. Now we need to put the bird seeds in the bird feed off. Thanks so much for making bird feeders with us, Goombay Kids. See you next time. Bye!
Hey Goombay Kids! Hope you like our videos. Subscribe to our channel to see more.